Hi everybody, we are here with the MCK Gen 3. I just want to talk a little bit about its features and what it's different from the MCK Gen 2. Comes with all the famous features of the MCK, the famous grip that is super comfortable for shooting in the front, a place for a magazine, of course, easy access to the flashlight, thumb rests can be put on each side. This system is great because it could work on different configurations of your Glock 17 or 19 or similar. So it works on normal Glock as featured here, but if you have an optic ready Glock, all you gotta do is take this back part apart, release it, also take out the charging handle. You can play with the height of the stock, which is a great feature. Different optics that are out there, you can get your line of sight perfectly with the optic. In order to charge the handgun while it's inside the system and have an optic at the same time, you either charge it with from the optic, or you take off the black plate of your handgun and you place a charging handle in the back that will also work great when it's not inside the MCK system. So that's pretty much it for the Glock for the MCK Gen 3. Thank you very much for watching.